everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the crafty corner
Hi everybody, it's Katrina. We are wrapping it up here on Mother's Day. I'm just going to give y'all a little view of what I have left. I will roll these over into Christmas and Mother's Day next year. I don't have anything left that says Happy Mother's Day on it. All of those items sold. So everything I have can be a birthday gift, can roll over to whatever. So this is what it's looking like. We got our heart box here. Have a few gifts on this stand here. See, there's 4 on the top. So it's about 10 gifts right there. And then what's on this table here. So about 21 gifts altogether, y'all, counting all of these. Plus I got some of these little add-ons I had. And plus I have a little bit of the, let's see if I can show you the chocolates back there. So only 5 boxes of those, and I had several of those, so I sold those. I only have the one flower pot left. The other one sold. That was the rose one. But that's all that's left, y'all. So as you can see, just the one little table and the little stand there. Everything else is gone, and y'all saw how full my living room was, so you know we've been out selling today. It's been a great day. You all have had amazing sales, and that things have gone very well for you. I will catch you all Wednesday night on my live at 7 o'clock sharp. So I look forward to seeing you. I hope you have an amazing rest of your Mother's Day and an amazing week. See y'all Wednesday. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. Hi everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the crafty corner crafting.